Alright, tubers, here's today's Tundra video. I've got a problem. Only one juicer works. I got two on this side that squirt. But over here, I've only got the one. Well, the fix is pretty simple. And in my case, it's probably just excess wax. But you take your needle end and you got to find the little hole. There we go. Just scratch around till you find the hole. Now the other thing you can do here is this side that's working is really just a little high. So let's find out if I can adjust that down. Okay. Well, let's go in the truck and see what happens when we try the juicers. Let's back up the zoom a little. Does it work? Two juicers. And that's the fix, guys. I'm going to try to just lower the inside one just a little bit. Okay, if you're going to try to adjust these things, my suggestion first is try to get that little eye nice and wet, because sometimes they dry out in their sockets and that'll help it move. Then you just slip your pin in and there we go. I felt that move. I'm going to actually check the adjustment on that bad boy. I don't want the camera to get wet, so I'm just going to move you to that angle. No. Man, that is perfect. That hits center windshield very nicely. I'm gonna go get some plywood later.